Ooh, we ripped her. Oh, we got a hole in the balls, boys. God dang, I like these ones. Boys, I've been gone for 5 days. I'm embarrassed. Back in action. We're back in action. First off, leave a comment down below and thumbs up if you didn't notice I was gone for 5 days. Watch this be the most liked video I've ever had on my channel. Back in action. We're back in the action. Thank you for joining back, boys. My vape's broken now. Oh God, what's going on? She's about to blow. Thank you for joining back once again. 5 days off. You guys know the channel or know me. You know, like a couple times a year. What's going on? Stop regular. Hold on. There we go, now it can't blow up. If it was gonna blow up, it would have blown up there. 2 times a year I get like really crippling anxiety where I'm just like bedridden, you know what I mean? So like, that's just kind of what happens. Sorry for the 5 days off. Boys, we're coming back to a bang almost, I think. I hope it's a bang. Before we get into it, real quick, thumbs up, comment down below. We're giving away this diamond watch all bust down, boys, from a company we're not gonna mention because they didn't sponsor us. They should be by now, but they're not. Anyway, thumbs up, comment down below. 2,000 thumbs up within the day. Somebody's gonna get this. Anyway, that's what it is. Appreciate you guys. I'm glad to be back. Let's get into the video. So I know what you guys are thinking, man. Bran, another 6ix9ine video we might have done like at least for this month. Boys, just hear me out for 1 second, then we're gonna unbox this, because I am stoked to see what this is. 6 months ago, let me just play it back in time for a second. Bran, editing room, put on some cool music that makes people more interested. Maybe some sad music so we feel bad for my situation. Sad music engaged. 6 months ago, 6ix9ine gets out of jail, boys. At this point, I'm brainstorming videos. I'm like, I'm gonna buy all the 6ix9ine product that I can, so we have a bunch of 6ix9ine videos for the next year. I assumed when he got out of jail, like he'd be popping off, and what you guys would like to see was a lot of 6ix9ine videos. Little did I know, he'd come out and everyone's calling him a rat. Now I'm a piece of for promoting the guy, and now we have a bunch of product to unbox because it takes forever with shipping nowadays. Now everything's starting to come in. 6 months later. Insert Beetlejuice, my man right here.
I'm a good man. I could get you in 6 months.
So, I'm sorry to keep doing these, boys, but like, just being real, you guys know we're real on the channel. I put these on my business card, which means it's a business expense, which means we need to do a video on them. But it looks like you guys have been enjoying the 6ix9ine content recently, so hopefully you're still enjoying this. Without further ado, boys, I bought this off a website. I only had a little bit of notes on it. I don't remember my purchases from months ago, but it was a website, it might have been Etsy or something else, saying, hey, you can buy 6ix9ine's jewelry collection as jewelry essentials, is what I had in my notes, for $150. Got the package in the mail. They did not say what the jewelry would be. That's why it's kind of fun here. It's kind of like a mystery box, I guess. I don't know. I'm really trying to play it up because I'm looking at the packaging here and it's this big. 6ix9ine's jewelry collection essentials, 150 bucks. What did we get? Do we care? Hopefully. Let's hope we care. If you don't care about the product, hopefully you care about the brand. The guy that's doing the product unboxing, who's really bad at it, by the way. You guys do not hassle me enough for that. Thank you. Let's go. Feels like it might be a necklace. We're not sure. It shakes like it's broken. It's gonna be a mess.
That's a new piece.
Let's go, boys! Oh, now I'm looking at. Oh, we got it! What did I expect? Of course I knew a box, but it's black and it looks big. Oh, God. Pause. What do you guys think about the lights, by the way? I'm thinking I lost a little bit of room here. That part that's like hanging down, we're gonna hang it across this part too. If you guys think it adds to the room, we also got lights up there. You just can't really see it. If you think it adds, let me know. Boys, we got a big black thing that looks thick. Was not trying to make that joke, man. So that's the first thing we got. What else we get? We also got one. We got 2 things. I already kind of saw what that is. This is gonna be a short video, boys. Why am I... There we go. No check. Boys, let's get into it. We're gonna save this one for last. Okay, 150 bucks. I'm trying to put this together in my head. What is a 6ix9ine essential item? Oh, you did it. You did it to us. I thought that's exactly what I thought I'd say. So I just did look at my notes. This was actually off Etsy. I thought it was all healed with my mental health situations over the past 5 days, but now I'm getting re pissed off, bro. I think it's my freaking anger issues that are causing me to go mental. And this is gonna make me go mental again. Boys, kind of stoked to see what this looks like. Boys, we got the sharp chain, of course. But the worst one, oh, it's bad. All right, so God only, what's half of $150? What's half of 15? 8? All right, so we have $80 in this. Dear God. Here's the first thing on our 6ix9ine Mystery Essentials Jewelry Collection crap. Look at that. What is that? It's a shark, obviously, but we already have the damn thing. Oh, I'm a mess. I'm a mess. Boys, you should have seen me a couple days ago. You wouldn't have liked what you saw. I was like the whole freaking Hulk smash and everything. I'm trying to look for the actual shark pendant that we care about. Where is that thing? Alright, we just got a bummy version of this one. This is like the real good one you get. I think I got this one for like 600 bucks. We got the bummy version, boys. What is that? The setting? Should we diamond test it? We would, but I got mad one of the videos and I smashed it. Still gotta get a new diamond tester, boys. Boys, that's the first thing to think. Very stoked to see what this is. Sounds like a watch box. Oh! Oh no, oh no. You just got new APs or whatever, but you can't be unboxing fake watches on YouTube. YouTube, if this is a replica Rolex or AP or anything, I do not promote it whatsoever. I do not promote what I just purchased. Boys, without further ado, it's gotta be a watch. It's a watch. Dear God almighty. What a video to come back to. This is where your $150 went, Brown. You idiot. How do you call this a 6ix9ine Essentials pack? We got this puppy right here, boys. An absolute, I'm not gonna lie, if you guys shop namebrandfam.com, link is down below. What a great entrance to this. It's our website, boys. Do we sell the best jewelry ever? No. But I see me scrolling right now, you see that? It's free. All you gotta do is pay shipping and add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. This kind of reminds me of my jewelry on the website. Not the best quality, but you got it for a better price than I did, apparently, because we're gonna chalk this up as $80. Dear God, how does that even have to do with 6ix9ine? Dude, I'm gonna Yelp that. I'm gonna Yelp review that on Etsy. How dare they? How dare they do? Okay, well anyway, that's what we got. Boys, I hope you know on this channel, most of the time we try to unbox real sick stuff, but at the other point, we also get God a lot, and I hope that's entertaining, because this is lame. 150 bucks for these. Absolutely awful. If you guys want to win these, or if actually whoever wins this watch just gets these with it, I don't want it. I want it out of my sight. Appreciate y'all for watching. Quick video. I'm gonna go back to bed. I'm not fully recovered from my issues yet, but we're getting there. You know what I mean? What a freaking way. Oh, and it came with a chain that we do not care about. Chill, bro. Good vibes always, boys. Yeah. Let's go. Freaking hookah lounge it. Is that chill? I don't know. I tried, boys. I tried for this one. Yeah, the lights are looking kind of sick. I'm not too mad at those. They kind of reflect off of those pictures as well, which I'm kind of a fan of, actually. I don't even need to carry it around the room because the picture's already doing it. Ah, nice little touch. Bye. Bad unboxing. Not gonna lie, horrible. Peace! Hopefully I didn't need that for the thumbnail. I did. Shoot.